Also, you can see this hair is so soft. My finger is slide it. It's so smooth, right? So all our hair is healthy, smooth, and silky. Just we didn't wash it because this is new. This is didn't wear. We just make it. This is stock. Okay. Wow. Okay, the next one. I will show you the next one. Okay. This one also a high-end one. I'm with you to open the mystery box because we have different kind of the wigs. We have different types, base types. You can see this one. Also, this is a high-end one because all the lace. This is HD lace, and this part is elastic net, and this one is a cap. It's a big cap. Okay, let me show you the details. Okay, at the front, we focus on every hairline. So all the front hairline is very natural. You can see, very natural hairline. Right. Because this is HD lace, so the HD lace is so natural. It melts every skin. It melts every skin color. You cannot see the lace right. So it's so natural when you wear it. And all the part, from front to the back, all the part is HD lace. So you can see every part. Also, the hair is so silky and smooth. It's silky than my silky. So silky, okay? So this part. I like all the beautiful wigs. Do you think so? Every part very natural. You can do different parting, and also this hair is so silky and smooth. Wow. Even we didn't wash it. So after you wash it, when you receive it, after you wash it, it will be very silky. It is a very healthy hair. Wow, can you see? This hair, when my finger put on it, wow, it's flat, so smooth. Wow. I like this hair. It's so soft, smooth, and silky. So after if you like this can, just do a screenshot. We give you a very good price, okay? Very good price. Okay. So we also have other types. So all the types of the wigs, all the types of the toupee. If you like any kind, please send us message. We can give you a very good products. We can do you for bulk, or we can do customized order. So if you like any kind, please don't hesitate to let me know, okay? Well, this one also a very beautiful wig. So all our hair is very healthy and smooth. So if you like any kind, please DM us, and also you can follow our YouTube, and we have all the kinds of the human hair products. Thanks for watching today, and we do the live stream every Monday to Friday, and this time. So if you like any kind of the hair, just follow us and follow our live stream, okay? Thanks, and I hope we can